In the silicon brick gluing workshop, Gaoce offers the automatic gluing solution that integrates automatic loading, automatic inspection, automatic gluing, automatic curing, automatic demounting and other processes. Leveraging a big data platform to monitor the inventory in real time, significantly enhancing gluing efficiency and quality, helping to reduce costs and improve efficiency, capable of reducing labor by approximately 71% and increasing efficiency by approximately 15%. Please follow us. We will successively release the automation processes of other working procedures in the future. Should you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us.